Hey guys, today we have a new treat. It's AirHogs FPV Racing Drone DR1. It comes in this nice little package. Has a carrying handle, but I don't think you're gonna carry it in this one. So in front you can see the picture of the drone itself, the FPV goggles, the drone itself through this little window. It says that it live video streams, had flight assistive technology, and has beginner and advanced mode, which is nice. On the right hand side you can see some of the other features. So the box contains FPV goggles for first person view, has a beginner and advanced modes for any level of pilot, a super tough frame, which is good because we're going to be bumping a lot, engineered for safety, that's good to know, easy stun button, 4-channel drive in every direction, and it works at 2.4 GHz. Which is nice, so that means you can have multiple of these and you don't have to worry about interference. It also implies that we need, it says we need either compatible iOS or Android device, so it comes with you gotta download the app off of Google Play or the App Store. It says that the box contains FPV Racing Drone 1, one FPV headset, controller, 4 propellers, rotor removal tool, 2 spare control sticks, user instruction guide, and USB charging cable. Alright, on the back side, a little more pictures. We have a drone itself and then some of the features I've emphasized here. So it has a crash resistant design, so that's good. These are duct fans. They're good for 2 reasons. They increase the lift performance, and also they're good for hitting. You get the prop guards all in one. It has a flight assistive technology, that's good for beginners especially. And then it live streams. The camera has 150 degrees field of view, which is very nice and very helpful when you're doing FPV racing. Alright, and on the side there's only a logo, AirHogs. That's about it. Top, nothing interesting. Bottom, a lot of warnings. We don't need to worry about those right now. Alright, let's get on and open this thing. Alright. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Alright. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is really nice packaging. Alright, so right here in the lower left corner you can see the drone itself in this little cradle. I'm gonna release it. Alright, we can take the drone out of its cradle. It's a really nice little drone. I like the colors. It reminds me of Formula 1 for some reason. These are ducted fans. This is a little antenna. It's held to the cradle by little tabs here. The drone is free. Okay. It's a really nice little drone. So the camera actually moves in several different positions. This is really nice because when you're flying FPV, if you're going slow, the drone is leveled. So you basically want to either look front or downwards a bit, but as you're ripping around, the tilt of the drone changes and you gotta lift the camera like this. I mean, if you're going really crazy like so, then you really gotta lift this camera up. Otherwise, at the beginner mode, I mean, looking forwards or even a bit downwards, it's completely fine. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, everything is taped, that's good. Alright, so we got the 4 spare propellers, but in my experience with the drones that are ducked like this one, you really don't break these. I mean, you can, break the frame, but you really don't break the propellers itself. So we got a little charging cable here and spare, 2 spare control sticks. Alright, and I gotta lift this entire thing up. Just a second, sorry. Alright, so the controller is held by these little cables in the back. Alright, just gonna cut these out. Alright. controller. It's free. Oh, so these are interchangeable. So you can swap them out for these if you don't like these ones. It's a really nice little controller. Takes, yep, looks like AAA. Yeah, so I gotta remove this cover here and take out this, but that's fine. Really nice. It's kind of small, but really nice. All right. So what else is in the box? These are goggles. Yep. Really nicely boxed. Okay. Actually, these are not really a goggles per se. They're just like holders for a phone, and your phone becomes integrated part. But actually, yeah, there is some magnification here that makes it look nice. All right, these are straps. Hold you to your head. Okay, this is a bay door. This is where you slip your phone, put it in. Really nice. I like it. It's great. Okay. And what else? Oh, so this is a user manual. On the back there is a charging port and a switch. This is where you connect your drone to charge it, and this is where you turn it on. So moving to this controller, this is a power switch. This is a stunt button on the right hand shoulder side. This is auto launch and land button. This is a directional stick, forwards, backwards, left and right. This one controls altitude, so this increases, this lowers the altitude, and this is a yaw. And also this is a record video button. This is take a photo button. This is a mode selector, so beginner is 1, advanced is 2, and these are trim buttons, so you trim your drone so it flies straight. Alright, so that's it guys. So we got a nice little drone here. I'm gonna show you how it flies in the next video. I'm gonna chart it up so it works nice, but I'll let you know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good one.